Hello and welcome to a new Behind the Window program. In this new program, I will introduce our new version CNC-609 machine to you. Our CNC-609 machine is a machine used to eliminate the burrs formed in the corners of the PVC profiles after the welding process and to clean them. We were producing the CNC-608 version before, now we have switched to the CNC-609 version. This machine has two servo motors. The corner cleaning mechanism of our machine has the capacity to move in Y and Z axes. As I mentioned before, our machine works with two servo motors. There is also a CNC-611 version of this machine. This is a machine with four servo motors. Having these four servo motors increases the capacity of the machine by 25%. In CNC-611, which is the version with four servo motors, the upper and lower mechanisms of the corner cleaning system have the ability to move separately. As I said, this machine performs corner cleaning operations. As you know, corner cleaning is done after the welding process. The welding process is completed in two-head welding machines or four-head welding machines. Then, in this machine, corner cleaning can be completed as sight and errand, that is, as a single or as a line on the line. There are tools on the machine that performs the corner cleaning process. There are 11 sets in total, 5 on the top, 5 on the bottom, and 1 saw on the back. Our machine is capable of corner cleaning both white profiles and colored profiles, as you can see here. There is a programmed CNC program on the machine. Through this CNC program, it is possible to focus the machine's tools wherever we want in X, Y, Z coordinates. It is necessary to give special training to the operators for programming on the machine. As I said, there are separate tools for both colored profiles and white profiles. When white profiles are selected on the screen, the tools required for the white profile are active, and when the colored profile is selected, the tools required for the colored profiles are active. I would like to give more detailed information about the techniques of our machine. As you can see in the mechanical equipment on the machine, there are some sensor mechanisms. These sensor mechanisms can recognize whether the profile is a frame or a wing. When the wrong profile is given, the machine gives a warning by the operator and asks the operator to drive the correct profile. There are also sensors on these pistons that control the height and width of the profile. In other words, there are a number of measures on the machine to prevent processing with the wrong profile. Yes, I would like to give some information about the motors on the machine. There are two servo motors in the CNC-609 version. These servo motors have a power of 0.45 kilowatts, and there are also AC motors that perform the corner cleaning process. High frequency these have 0.22 kilowatt power. The speed of the milling cutters that do the corner cleaning process is around 18,000 revolutions. The speed of our saw motor at the back is 6,000. It has a capacity of 6,000 revolutions per minute. As you can see in the table on the machine, there are brushes. It allows the profile to be moved easily on the table while the operator is corner cleaning. This brush system also prevents any scratches on the profile. There is a card digit system that lubricates the slides on the machine. I will tell you about these in the detailed shots. Besides, as I mentioned before, the machine has a movable kiosk mechanism. The operator can move this kiosk wherever he wants. On the 15-inch screen, the operator can perform very easy programming operations. There is a CNC program running on the machine. This is a program written by Yılmaz mechanical engineers. And it is very easy to make adjustments in the corner cleaning process when necessary. Adjustment operations can be deburred in the most precise way by entering offset dimensions. The corner cleaning system is provided by the CNC system. Thus, the top, bottom, back and inner parts of the profile can be reached with the desired precision.
Ve iç kısımlarına istenilen hassasiyette ulaşılmasını sağlayabilmektedir. Evet,
yes, here we are planning to make a demo to better understand the system.
bir demo yapmayı planlıyoruz.
Mr. Keenan from the Technical Service Department will help me in this demo process. I invite Mr. Keenan here to... Please come in. Yes, Mr.
Evet Kenan Bey.
Yes, Mr. Keenan had prepared the program for us before. Thank you. As you can see, it was a program made according to the colored profile. Therefore, the scraping blades were according to the colored profile, and it made a very superficial scraping in this program. In white profiles, this scraping process is deeper, isn't it, Mr. Keenan?
Yes, it's grooved. Yes, grouted. These are zero blade. We don't tear the zero foil on the colored ones.
I would also like to give information about the technical capacity of the machine. The maximum profile height is 180 millimeters and the maximum profile width is 130 millimeters. The minimum profile height is 30 millimeters and the minimum profile width is 30 millimeters. The minimum frame size is 400 millimeters by 400 millimeters. The maximum frame size is 2,200 millimeters by 2,200 millimeters.
He can do that, yes, he can do it by hand, but he cannot turn it with a robot.
Yes, the maximum size that the machine can turn with the robot is 2,200. Of course, when the machine is turned manually, it can still perform manual corner cleaning. I would like to say an important piece of information here again. The machine can also be used as a single machine in a workshop, right, Mr. Keenan?
Yes.
In other words, a profile coming from a double head or four heads can then be used here as a single machine. Or it can also be used as an automatic line with the CCL line, that is, with four heads of welding and other equipment.
It comes out of the automatic source and comes to the cooling station. While the cooling station is waiting, one of them is processing here in the meantime. After this is over, the robot takes it to the exit band. It comes back. The robot takes the cooled one and
Yes,
processes
these
it there.
processes are completely automatic. These processes are completed automatically from start to finish without any operator's touch. Once again, I would like to repeat with Mr. Keenan that there are two versions of the machine. CNC 609 and CNC 611, CNC 609, CNC 610 with 2 servo motors and CNC 611 with 4 servo motors. The capacity of the corner cleaning machine is 25% more than CNC 609. Here again, I would like to get support from Mr. Keenan about an important issue. Let's say that the company has only CNC 609 machine in the workshop. Then it wants to convert it to automatic line. Is this possible, Mr. Keenan?
Yes, optionally, when the 609 machine is purchased independently, it can be combined with additional machines at any time. We can operate the machine on a line basis.
We provide this
Of
support
course.
as a technical service. You only need to buy a compatibility package. So it is possible to convert it to an automatic line later.
For heads welded and after connecting the cooling station and robot system, the automatic version works.
Yes, this was also very important information. We have also conveyed this information. Yes, the profile height is 180 millimeters along the line, and we have now applied 180 millimeters in both welding and corner cleaning in the new version.
It has been adapted according to
We have
European
also introduced
standards.
this machine with new colors and new capacity. I would like to thank Mr. Keenan very much for his technical support. Yes, now we are moving on to the question and answer part of our program. If you need more technical information about this machine, it is possible to access much more technical details and technical information by clicking on the link below the video on the YouTube channel. Thank you very much.